In this video, we're going to talk about cooking up some simple, healthy meals. When it comes down to feeding your body and mind, nothing is superior to preparing your food from scratch, with quality ingredients and served with love. Now, have you ever wondered why it's so important to prepare your meals at home? This is because by doing so, it allows you to control the amount of salt, oil, and other things that you use in your recipes. This in turn reduces the possibility of clogged arteries and weight gain. And not just that, taking the time to plan your weekly menu not only helps to save time and money, but also provides a way to create meals with a balance of fat, protein, and carbohydrates, plus all of the essential vitamins and minerals needed for the child and adult's body. Now that we know of the importance of preparation of meals at home, let's move on to talk about meal planning. One of the best ways to make sure that you eat well is to plan your meals ahead of time. It is a vital part of eating a healthy diet, and there are many benefits of meal planning. These benefits include adding variety, eliminating the last-minute stress, making shopping easier, saving time and money, helping you to avoid unhealthy choices. Cooking healthy recipes and meals doesn't have to be difficult or time-consuming. These healthy recipes will please the whole family. Start your day off with a spring in your step with these simple yet healthy recipes that will keep you energized for the entire day. But how simple can it be? Well, how about as simple as 5 minutes of prep time without any cooking needed? Sounds good, doesn't it? Let's dive in to know more. Here are 8 healthy recipes. Breakfast fruit cups, Papaya Boat, tropical eye opener, chicken tomatillo salad, corn and green chili salad, avocado garden salad, rosemary lemon chicken with vegetables, spaghetti with turkey meat sauce. Let's talk about the breakfast fruit cup. All you need are 2 oranges, peeled and seeded and sliced into bite-sized pieces, 1 medium banana, peeled and sliced, 1 tablespoon of raisins, 1/3 cup of low-fat vanilla yogurt, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Begin by getting a small bowl and combining the fruit. Then divide the fruit equally into 4 bowls. Lastly, put a rounded tablespoon of low-fat yogurt over fruit in each bowl. Then sprinkle on equal amounts of ground cinnamon before serving. The Papaya Boat. Prepare 2 papayas, rinsed and peeled, 1 medium banana, peeled and sliced, 1 kiwi fruit, peeled and sliced, and 1 cup of strawberries, about 11 ounces, a can of mandarin oranges, drained, and 3/4 cups of low-fat vanilla yogurt, along with 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 teaspoons of chopped fresh mint, but that's optional. Now, cut the papayas in half lengthwise. Scoop out the seeds. Place each half in a medium plate. Then place an equal amount of banana, kiwi fruit, strawberries, and oranges in each half of the papaya. Combine your yogurt, honey, and mint and then mix it well, and spoon it over the fruit before serving. Tropical eye opener. Prepare your mango, peeled and seeded, and cut into chunks, along with 1 large banana, peeled and sliced, 1 cup of undrained pineapple chunks, and 3/4 cups of low-fat vanilla frozen yogurt, along with 1 cup of ice cubes. Now combine all of the ingredients in a blender, and blend until the mixture is smooth and you can pour into glasses to serve. Chicken tomatillo salad. Prepare the dressing with 1 cup of husked and quartered tomatillos, 3 tablespoons light Italian dressing, 1 fresh Anaheim chili, seeded and chopped, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. As for the salad itself, prepare 2 cups of chopped cooked chicken or turkey, along with 1 cup of chopped red bell pepper, 1 cup of frozen corn, thawed, and 1 cup of chopped carrots, and slice 4 green onions, and also chop up a 1/4 cup of cilantro. Now in a blender or a food processor, puree the tomatillos with dressing, Anaheim chili, and ground black pepper, then set it aside. Then combine all of the salad ingredients into a large bowl and toss. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss well to coat. Then cover and chill for 20 minutes or make a day ahead of time to allow flavors to blend and serve on lettuce-lined plates or bowls. Corn and green chili salad. All that you need are 2 cups of frozen corn. Also, 1 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, drained, a half tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1/4 cup sliced green onions, and 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro. Now combine all of the ingredients in a medium bowl, mix well, and serve. And now the avocado garden salad. This salad might need a longer prep time, but there's still no cooking needed. Prepare 6 cups of torn or cut mixed salad greens, 3 medium tomatoes chopped, 5 green onions chopped, 1 small cucumber peeled and chopped, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, a half teaspoon of ground black pepper, a half teaspoon of salt, and 1 large avocado peeled. Now mix the salad greens, tomatoes, onions, and cucumber in a large serving bowl. In a small bowl, mix lemon juice, garlic powder, ground black pepper, and salt. Pour over the salad mixture and toss it together. Now cut the avocado in half lengthwise. Remove the pit and peel the avocado halves. Then slice into thin wedges, about 1/8 inch thick. Arrange the avocado slices on top of the salad and serve immediately. Rosemary lemon chicken with vegetables. Prepare 1/2 pound of small red potatoes, or about 3 potatoes, rinsed and cubed, 1½ cups of baby carrots, 1 cup of green beans, 2 trimmed boneless, skinless chicken breasts, halved, which should equal about 1 pound, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of honey divided, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh rosemary, or 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, along with 1 teaspoon of grated lemon peel and a 1/4 cup teaspoon ground black pepper. In a medium pot, bring 8 cups of water to a boil. Add the potatoes and carrots and green beans and cook for 5 minutes, then drain and set to the side. Cut the chicken breasts in half. Place olive oil and the chicken breasts in a medium skillet and cook over medium for 5 minutes on each side. Then add your potatoes, carrots, green beans, and all of the remaining ingredients to the skillet, except for 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Cook this over low heat for 5 minutes or more until the chicken is fully cooked. Then add the remaining lemon juice to taste and serve. Spaghetti with turkey meat sauce. You will need a non-stick cooking spray, 3/4 pound of lean ground turkey, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, which should equal to about 14½ ounces, and juice reserved, 1 green bell pepper, finely chopped, 1 cup of finely chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of dried crushed oregano, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 pound of spaghetti noodles. Now spray a large skillet with the non-stick cooking spray. Preheat the skillet over medium heat. Add the turkey and cook, stirring occasionally for 5 to 10 minutes or until cooked through. Now drain the fat. Stir in the tomatoes with their juice, bell pepper, onion, garlic, and oregano, along with the ground black pepper, and bring it to a boil and reduce heat. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Meanwhile, cook the spaghetti according to the package directions, then drain well and serve the sauce over the spaghetti.